Hey friends, if you wish to change language in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Wait till it loads and then go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane. You can click on add a language to add a language. Okay, now I'll add a different version of English. Let's say I want to add English Canada. So I'll select this one and I'll click on next. Then I'll check all of these options and then I'll select on install, because why not check all of the options? But here's the thing, English United States and a few other versions of languages have all features, including basic typing and everything else. But every version of languages may not have those features. Okay, so you may have to choose wisely and accordingly. And now, as for changing the language, right click on it once again, go to settings, go to time and language, select language and region. The language on the top is the one which would be in use. To change the language to the to top, you can click on these three dots and keep moving it up till it reaches at the top. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.